What are you hungry for? Sometimes when we think we're hungry, we're really looking for something else, and eating between meals becomes a habit. Now, when you're on a Mediterranean diet, you're not likely to get as hungry in between meals because the types of foods that you'll be eating will keep you full longer. So vegetables have a lot of fiber, you'll be eating beans and whole grains, and those kind of things keep you full and you won't be thinking about snacking. But sometimes snacking becomes a habit. I know when I'm watching television at night, the first thing I think about is, popping something in my mouth. It really doesn't help that they're always showing fast food advertisements when you're watching television, right? Or sometimes when you're at work, you might get a little low energy in the afternoon and you start thinking about having a snack around 3:30, 4 o'clock, but maybe you could have a cup of tea instead. So start to think about when you're feeling cravings for a little snack, what are you really hungry for? Because sometimes it is something else that we're hungry for. Sometimes we're in the habit of snacking, and that's just something that we do when we're watching television. Take note when you get those cravings and ask yourself, are you really hungry, or are you being triggered by something else? Because sometimes when we're hungry, we may be feeling a little bored, or maybe a little emotional, or maybe we're stressed, and it leads to unnecessary snacking. These triggers are very common, and we reach for food out of habit when maybe we really need some other type of comfort. Ask yourself, what are you really hungry for? If you are thirsty, take a drink of water. Or if you're bored, pick up a book or do a craft. Or if you're stressed, maybe take a bath or try doing a meditation. If you're lonely, pick up the phone and call a friend. If you find that you are really hungry for food, try to have a healthy snack. So grab a piece of fruit, or dip some carrot sticks into hummus, or make some popcorn. Popcorn's actually a whole grain and can be really healthy for you if you don't cover it with too many fattening toppings. A lot of times in movies we'll see a woman, she has a bad breakup or she has a stressful day at work and she goes home and she grabs a pint of ice cream and she starts digging in and eating the whole thing. So the media is practically teaching us how to behave this way. It doesn't have to be that way. Look for healthier alternatives for your snack cravings. So before you reach for an extra portion of food or a bag of chips or whatever is your preferred snack, ask yourself, what am I really hungry for? Am I bored? Am I feeling emotional? Am I feeling stressed? Am I feeling a little lonely? Am I thirsty? Or am I really hungry for food? Snacking can be okay as long as you do it in a healthy way and you do it in moderation, and as long as you understand why you're doing it. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.